Okay, folks. But anyhow, I would like to tell you, folks, let's understand. See, anyhow, these are all what the details, and these are class timing. So eventually we'll start at 7:15. Currently maybe 5-10 minutes delay we are starting, but eventually we'll start at 7:15 itself. Okay. You'll be getting the course material, plus you will get a 1 year access of class videos, and also you will get the class notes what I'm writing here. Actually, I'll keep all this into a MSO document and a day-wise format, and you will be getting the class notes as well. And if any some important points or runtime points if you want to write, okay, or if for example you want to uh, note down some kind of statements, so then you can do it with like a running notes, and the class notes I will share, okay. And it's always better to have some running notes, also some diagrams you can keep. um, okay, when you're attending the session, be ready with the pen and paper, pen and book, so that you people can able to write some of the statements whichever are very important for you, okay. So some kind of running notes you write, but class notes I will share, and we will assist you at the end about how do you prepare your resume so that gets shortlisted, it will stand in front of others resumes, okay. And also we'll conduct some mock interviews, okay, like how you can able to face the actual interviews, okay. And also we'll provide all the placement assistance, okay. Right. Yeah, okay, Uma, thank you. So folks, these are the completely Java full stack development course modules. And here we are starting with the core Java today in module 1, because once we'll start with module 1, and after a couple of weeks are completed in core Java, then you will be feeling a little bit comfortable. And let's go with the module 2 then, where we can start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. And once you got to know about this core Java, database, and advanced Java, then by that time you can enter into these frameworks. So at least 2 classes will be conducted after a couple of weeks. Currently, there is a single session going on. That is our core Java session, okay? But after a couple of weeks, what will happen, the two classes will be started. One may be in the morning, one may be in the evening, okay? And remaining, you will have some work to do on both the classes, and some preparations are required for you, right? All these things will go on. Okay, am I clear, folks? Are you able to understand about what I'm trying to tell you now? Are you understanding about what I'm trying to tell you now, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So currently now we are starting with this core Java. Later on, after maybe a week after, you will be finding another session with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and parallelly maybe other session based on database like Oracle and MySQL. Okay, because these are all independent. You can learn parallelly. Core Java you can learn parallelly. HTML, CSS, okay, you can learn parallelly, and Oracle, MySQL also you can learn parallelly. Am I clear, folks? Okay. Now,
So how long it's take for like a core Java?
now it will take around 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So coming to this full stack development course, folks, I said yesterday full stack development means you are going to learn about front end development, and you are going to learn about backend development, you are going to learn about database, and you are going to learn some DevOps tools, and also you are going to get the basics of cloud. Okay. And this front end development, you are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, or React. You can choose any one of the two. That's your wish. Okay. And in the backend development, of course, we are going to start with core Java. That's what we are going to start now, backend development. Later on, you will find advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, and all. I mean, I just use a dot dot, but Hibernate, everything that you are going to learn, and some design patterns, blah blah blah. And coming to okay, uh, database, obviously you are going to work with Oracle and MySQL. Not only these two, you are also going to work with the MongoDB. I just I have not included that name actually yesterday, but you will learn about Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, the three. And the DevOps tools that you are going to learn about how to work with Jenkins, Maven. Okay, you are going to learn about Docker, Kubernetes. So many tools that we are going to look at in the DevOps tools. And AWS Cloud you are going to learn as part of the full stack development course. Okay. And in the AWS, you are going to learn all some of the basics of AWS, like whatever is required for a Java developer to know about virtual machines in cloud. Okay. And how do you work with some of the AWS services, cloud services. Okay. All those will be covered as part of the cloud. So this is the full stack development, which I told yesterday, but I've explained about all these points in the last session. Okay. And coming to today's session, folks, we are going to start with actually module 1. We are going to start with actually what? Module 1, folks. Okay. And in that, we are going to start with what actually? Core Java. That is what we are going to start. We'll start with the core Java. In module 1, we'll start with the core Java. So this is all we discussed in the last session, folks. Okay. And today, yeah, folks. Yesterday is just like a demo session that, yeah, folks.
Hello?
Yeah, please.
Okay. How many modules you are taking? Like a core, Java,
Module 1.
advanced?
Module
Module
1,
one.
yeah, module 1.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Just I'm answering a question which is asked in chat box. Okay. So, folks, now uh, we will talk about, okay, we will talk about today's point. Okay. Later on, I will tell you about what are the different combinations for developing the applications like React Plus, okay, Spring Boot with microservices plus Oracle is a one combination, or MySQL, otherwise MongoDB, otherwise Angular, then you have Spring Boot microservices, then with Oracle or MongoDB, like that. I'll give you some combinations later. Okay. Coming to today's point of view, we will understand about a concept called as programming languages. Okay. We'll understand about a concept called what, folks? Programming languages. Okay. So here I will like to explain. Okay. Today, I would like to ask a question. So my question to all of you is, what is language? Anybody can tell me the answer on this. What is language?
We can communicate with system.
Yeah. Language. What do you mean by a language simply? What do you mean by simply a language?
Language is a medium of communication.
Language, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Anybody want to tell some other answer? Any other answer that you have in your mind? Online folks, anybody have any other answer in your mind, folks? Yes. Okay. 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 Generally, language, basically language is used to convey something, right? Okay. It's used for communication. Okay. What I can say that? Okay. Language, folks, language can be used to convey something. Language can be used to convey something. Okay. Folks, now the next question comes in. Language can be used to convey something. Okay. So tell me, how many types of languages are there? Now tell me, how many types of languages are there? Folks, language can be used to convey something. My question to all of you is, now tell me, how many types of languages are there? Okay. See, I'm not asking about number of languages. Number of languages could be n number. I'm asking about types. Folks, for example, if you take Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, French, okay. So I'm not talking about the number of languages.
System
Okay.
language.
Yeah. I'm talking about categories of languages. So languages are divided into how many categories? That's the question. So have you got the question right? Online folks, have you got the question?
Yes.
Yeah. Folks, any idea on that, folks? Okay.
Machine.
Somebody is talking about machine. Yeah. Yes, folks.
Yes, machine language, human language.
Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Good.
That's it.
Okay, folks. Basically, I can tell you, folks, languages are categorized. Languages are categorized into two types. Hey, folks, are you getting my point? Languages are categorized into how many types? Two types. Yeah. One is natural language. Okay. One is a natural language. Second one is, can you expect the second one? It's difficult to expect, but can you expect? I will give you everything regarding. Yeah. Can you expect the second one? The second one is formal language. Folks, one is a natural language and second one is what? Second one is what? Formal language. Folks, are you getting my point? Languages are categorized in two types. One is natural language and second one is
Formal language.
formal language. Yeah. Yeah. We are just coming from the very basics onwards. So please try to understand, because my intention is to explain you clearly about what are the programming languages. And today you are going to get very, very clear-cut clarity on that. And on top of that, what are the various statements that we have in any language? Generally, the people feel that, okay, every language that I need to learn separately. For example, Java programming language I learn separately, or Python, for example, is a programming language which I should learn separately. Like that, everybody will feel what? Everybody feels like what? I need to learn each language separately, but really it is not correct. If you learn one language, okay, which means that already you know about the other language also approximately 70 to 80%. For example, if you know about Java programming language, which means almost 80 to 90% of the Python also you know. The only difference is what? There is a syntax difference will be there. So that's why I would like to give you a clear idea on what programming languages today. Folks, am I clear? Everybody?
Yes.
So coming to natural language. Okay, folks, natural language means what actually? It is a language which human beings will talk with each other. Okay, and through natural language, we can convey everything and anything. Okay, so human beings use natural languages. Okay, for example, you take English or Hindi or Telugu, these are all comes under which category?
Natural language.
Natural language. These are all comes under which category, folks? Online folks? These are all comes under which category? Please try to give response, okay na?
Yes.
I
Yeah.
said yesterday that we would like to provide a two-way communication, okay? So I'm not just only explaining, you also people need to speak out, okay? So that you will come out of the fear and all those things, okay? So our session must be always like an interactive session. Okay, folks?
Yes.
Everybody? Yeah.
Yeah.
Please try to give response, okay? Either in chat box, okay, use chat box, otherwise use your microphone, okay? So you can just unmute yourself and please try to speak something on it. Folks, tell me, natural language means what? Natural language means what?
Human can communicate.
You know, yeah, human beings, right? So these are the languages used by human beings to convey,
each other.
yeah, to convey anything, to convey everything and anything. Folks, am I clear? So these
Yeah.
are the languages used by human beings to convey everything and anything. These are comes under which category, folks? Natural languages. Example, you take English as an example, Tamil is an example, okay, Hindi is an example, Telugu is an example, folks, blah, blah, blah. It could be Arabic or it could be Urdu, something like that, folks. Then tell me, these are all comes under which type of languages? These are all comes under which category, folks?
Natural.
Natural languages. Natural languages are used to convey everything and anything. Okay, everything and anything. Am I clear, folks? Coming to the second category. What is the second category, folks? Formal language. Okay, formal language. Formal language is not for conveying everything and anything. Formal languages are used for a specific purpose. Guys, these are used for conveying specific information. I will share this document with you, folks. Meanwhile, if you want, you can take a screenshot through your mobile and all, okay? But I'll definitely share this, okay? Don't worry. Later on, I will share the class notes every day. So these are for conveying specific information. Okay, folks?
Yes.
For example, yeah, for example, you take accounts. Folks, accounts comes under which category? Formal language. Okay. Accounts comes under which category, folks? Accounts comes under formal language. So in accounts, we can only convey specific information. What is the profit? We can convey information like profit, loss, expenses. Am I clear? Everybody? But
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
accounts can be used to talk with, accounts cannot be used to convey everything, right? Accounts can be only used to convey specific information. What is the profit? What is the loss? What are the expenses? What is the investment? Able to follow me? Online folks, can you able to follow me? Yes. See,
Yes.
can I say in accounts, can I say I am hungry?
No.
I would like to
No.
drink tea.
No.
In a natural language, we can convey.
Yes.
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 So
Yes.
in a natural language, we can convey what? Everything. Anything we can convey. But formal languages,
We
Yeah.
cannot.
yeah, we cannot. We can only convey what? We can only convey the specific information, but we cannot convey the everything. That is called what? Formal language. Example is what? Accounts. Okay. So tell me, accounts use it to convey what? Use it to convey profit or loss or expenses, etc. Folks, everybody, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I confused in any way?
No.
Okay. Am I confused you guys anyway? No, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Folks, accounts use it to convey profit or loss or expenses. Am I clear or not? Yeah. This is called the formal language. Accounts. Let's take, for example, statistics. Okay. Folks, try to understand the concept now. If you take natural language, in natural language, we can convey the past information, the present information, and even the future information also, right? Can we convey all these things in natural language? The past information. Yes. Yesterday I was attended the session. You can convey this information, am I right or not, in natural language?
No.
Yeah.
Today I am attending the session. Tomorrow I will
Yes.
attend the session.
Yes, I know.
Yesterday I was attended the session. That is past. Today I am attending the session. This is what?
Present.
Present. Tomorrow I will attend the session. This is what?
Future.
So means in a natural language we can convey what? Past things, present
Present.
things,
Future things.
and future things.
Everything.
Everybody folks, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Thank you. Please try to give response, okay? We will like to maintain two-way communication. Then only you will be always in, otherwise you are in attending an online session. There may be some distractions happen at your home or the place from where you are attending the session. So you may lose the concentration. That's why please try to give response for the each question. Folks, everyone, am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes.
clear so far?
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me guys, using natural language, what we can convey?
The past thing, present
Yeah,
thing,
we
and the
can convey. Very good. The past things. We can convey the past, present, and future things. Able to follow me? This is comes under which language? Natural language. Folks, the second category of language is what? Formal language. Formal language. So these are for conveying specific information. What's the specific information here? For example, if we take accounts, it will only convey the information related to what? Profit or loss or expenses or investment or blah, blah, blah. These are all comes under what? Accounts. Let us take statistics. Folks, statistics, can you tell me now with the statistics what we can convey? Folks, statistics is used for anyone? Yes, folks. Online folks, anybody? Can anyone tell me what purpose we use statistics? Statistics is used for what purpose? Yes.
Analysis to analyze
Ah,
the data.
yes. Statistics is basically used to
Collecting the data and
analyze the data. Okay, with the help of the data that is available. Folks, are you getting my point or not? See, for example, during the second phase of COVID, okay, during the second phase of COVID, how many people have died in India? Okay, tell me, this kind of analysis can be done with the help of statistics or not?
yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Everybody is telling me, everybody is getting my point? Let's say from,
Yeah.
in 2023 to 2024 or 2022 to 2023, how much percentage of manpower, okay, has increased, or how much percentage of people are increased in India? Can we find this with the help of statistics?
Yes, sir.
Can we find these kind of things with the help of statistics? Yes? Folks, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Can we do this? Folks, can we do this with the help of statistics? So statistics used to analyze the data. Analyze the data. Hey folks, am I clear? My question to you, can we do everything with the help of statistics?
No.
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 No. Okay. Can I use statistics for tell me the best route to move from, for example, Amirpet to Madhapur?
No, we can't.
We can't do it. Statistics doesn't tell me the best route to go from Amirpet to High Tech City. Able to follow me? Yes? So these are for any information or for specific information only we use the statistics?
Specific information.
Specific
Yes,
information.
accounts is also for what? Specific information. Yes? Folks, everybody getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Now coming under formal languages only, another example is programming language. Folks, everybody, tell me, programming language comes under which category?
Formal language.
Formal language. Example. Programming language comes under which category finally? Formal language. Exactly. Formal language. Okay. So programming language also used for specific information. Programming languages are used to give instructions to the computer. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes. Programming language cannot be used to talk with two human beings. Okay. Can I talk? Okay. Can I talk with anyone using programming language? Folks?
No.
No.
No, right? I can't talk with anybody using programming language. I can't talk, right?
Yeah.
With the programming language, I can only talk with whom? Computer. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why it is coming under natural language or formal language?
Formal language.
Formal language. So it is used to convey something, to the computer. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
Do
Yes,
you guys
sir.
agree with me?
Yes.
Used to convey something to the computer. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Folks, now you have to understand, folks. This is where we are coming in. Programming languages are again divided. Can you tell me, programming languages are divided into how many categories?
Like two, structure or unstructured?
Programming languages are divided into how many categories?
Sir, two categories, high
Structured,
level
sorry,
and
I
low
would like
level.
to answer structured and unstructured related to data.
Okay.
We have a structured data, unstructured data. Okay, Yeah.
Okay.
folks, can anybody tell me programming languages are divided into again how many categories?
4
Sir,
types.
two.
Yeah, folks, programming languages are divided into 3 categories. How many? 3 categories. Let me tell you. Folks, programming languages have into how many categories again? 3
Three.
categories. So far, am I clear with you guys? Please tell me, please give me a response for this question first of all.
Yes.
Yes.
So far, am I
100%
clear with you?
Yes.
Yep.
Everyone? For example, I'm asking Shatak Sri Priya.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. I'm asking Samir Kumar. I think you joined today, so just I would like to ask you.
Yeah, sir, it is clear for me.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I would like to ask Uma B. So, are you clear with this? Okay.
Yes, I'm clear.
Yeah. Thank you. So, folks, programming languages are again divided into how many categories now? There are 3 categories of programming languages are there. There are 3 categories of programming languages are available. Folks, let's understand. One is binary language. One is what, guys? Binary language. Folks, second one is, can you expect the second one? Yes? Sorry?
Language.
Second one is
Assembly levels.
assembly language. Third one is high level language. Folks, programming languages are again divided into how many categories now? 3 categories. Okay, the session is very important, folks. You should not miss even a single day session, then you will lose a lot of things. Okay, please try to attend the sessions. Okay, folks, tell me, programming languages are divided into how many categories, folks? 3 categories. In that one category is what, folks? Binary language. Second one is what? Assembly language. Third one is what? High level language. Okay, folks, let's talk about binary language. Okay, folks, tell me, which is also called as machine level language or whatever. Okay, right? First of all, folks, I would like to ask you, if you take English, can you tell me, folks, how many alphabets we have in English?
26.
26.
Yeah. How many alphabets we have in English, folks?
26.
26.
Folks, any other answer? Any other answer that you want to tell me, folks? Actually, English has, not only English, any language has only one alphabet. Okay. Those 26 are what? Letters. A to Z, whatever you are calling 20, they are not alphabets. Actually, what they are? Letters. They are the letters derived from an alphabet. These 26 letters will form an alphabet. Able to follow me, folks?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So tell me, folks, English has how many alphabets? Means what is your answer should be?
One.
Your answer should be there is only one
One.
alphabet with how many letters?
26.
26 letters. With the 26 letters. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Coming to binary language, folks. Binary language also has one alphabet with 2 letters. What are the 2 letters? 0
Zero, one.
and 1.
0 and 1.
Okay. And machines can understand directly which language only?
Zero.
0 and 1.
0, 1.
Our computers are designed from 1960s nowadays till 2024. Okay. Our computers can only understand, our computer design is like that. Computers can only understand what?
Zero.
Zeros and ones, which are also called as machine code. Okay. Am I right or not? Folks,
Yes.
am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So, tell me,
Yeah.
first of all, tell me, folks, binary language has how many alphabets?
1,
One alphabet with how many letters?
2,
2 letters. What are the 2 letters? 0 and 1. Okay. And tell me, machines can understand what? Machines, I mean
190.
computers. Machines, or let us say computers, can only understand what? They can only understand
Binary
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 language.
language. Okay, folks. Tell me, if machines can understand only binary language, then why we are learning Java, Python, C#, blah, blah, blah? I will come to that point. That's what actually the session I would like to give you. Why programming languages? Folks, I'm just coming in a proper order, folks. You also need to understand in a proper order. Okay? I'm trying to make you, I'm driving you through a proper way, a proper route, so that you can reach to the concept like why programming languages are provided. Am I clear?
yes.
Okay. Is everybody catching my points?
Yeah.
Folks, everybody, are you catching my points? Only I'm asking all of you guys, please try to respond me. Please try to respond to me. Okay, so that I can understand that, okay, you all people are understanding, and so that I can go forward. Otherwise, I'll be in a dilemma like really only some of the people are understanding it and some of the people are not understanding, something like that. So I'm expecting the response from everyone so that, or if you have any query, you can just type in the chat box, no issues. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Joined with the name HVM. Guy, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Joined with the name Kania Patil. Have you understood my session so far? You can even type in chat box if you want. Yes? Shashikanta, have you understood so far?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Like that. Okay, please try to give response. Okay, just unmute yourself, give a response, then you can go into mute yourself, or you can continuously unmute also, no issue, but provided it should not make any noise or disturbance to the others while listening to the session. That's it. Okay, right. Question comes here. Okay, question comes here. Then why we are not writing the instructions or programs directly in the binary language?
Because we don't understand that language.
Okay, nice. Any other wants to add something? Any other one wants to add something? Yeah. Any idea on that? Folks. So see, for the human beings, writing the instructions in binary language is very, very difficult. See guys, I will give you. Okay. See, for example, see, to write letter A, okay, capital A can be written like this. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is A. In binary language, A means like this. Able to follow me, folks? For example, A, we can write like this. Okay, totally, you got 8 digits, right? Okay, 8 digits now. 1 byte means 8 bits now.
Yes.
1 0 0. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the way how you write A, letter A. Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Now tell me, if you want to write, suppose apple, A we are writing like this. Now see how difficult it is to write apple now. APPLE. Folks?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Looks
Folks,
like just
everyone?
a lot of space, you know.
First of all, is it possible for a human being to write the code in binary language now?
No,
No.
sir.
No. A, if you are writing like this, then how do you write apple? Or how do you write banana? Am I right?
Yes.
So, folks, okay, writing programs or instructions in which language? Binary language is very difficult. Am I right or not?
Yes.
That's why we are not directly writing the programs or instructions in binary language. But computers can only understand which language, folks?
Binary language.
Binary language. Really, computer cannot understand Java. Really, computer cannot understand Python. Computer cannot understand C#. Computer cannot understand Ruby. It cannot understand C, C++. Hey, folks, I'm giving you very basics, okay, which are very important ones, so that you will get an idea like why we are writing the programs in the programming languages. Am I clear? Hey,
Yes,
folks,
sir.
am I clear so far? So, writing the programs in binary language is easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult.
Difficult, very difficult, not difficult, okay? So, okay, folks, what's the second category of language we have?
Assembly.
Assembly
Assembly
language.
language. Yeah. Folks, understand. Assembly language. Okay. See, folks, assembly language is little bit better than binary language, because in binary language we have to write the code in zeros and ones. Writing the programs or instructions to the computer in zeros and ones is very difficult for the developers or the programmers. But when you come to assembly language, in assembly language, you can use some, what we can call, some kind of words, not like zeros and ones. But you can use what? Some kind of words we can use. We can call the instructions in assembly language, we can write with the help of some words. Tell me now, writing the programs in binary language is easy or in assembly language is easy?
In assembly language.
Assembly language. For example, I'm writing instructions like this: add, add. Okay. set, set. Okay. sub, subtract. mul, multiply. Folks, in uppercase, this kind of words are given. Able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So tell me, folks, finally, tell me in assembly language, what are given to write instructions?
Add
Some
the
words. Yeah, some words are given simply, right? So it has provided some phrases. I'm using the word phrases means words. Are words to write the instructions or programs. Folks, am I clear? Okay. For example, add, okay, A comma B, something like that. For example, multiply MUL A comma B. Okay, like this. For example, I'm writing. Folks, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But these phrases are very limited. These phrases are very limited. And the other drawback I'll tell you, folks. The drawback is assembly language works based on processor. Based on what, folks? Processor. If you write assembly language program written in for 8086 processor, then it doesn't work for 80886 processor or 8085 processor. You know, there are different categories of processors are there, microprocessors. Folks, am I clear? Have you heard any time 8085, 8086?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Yes. Of course, we are using, even our mobiles are having now very latest processors. Am I right or not? Octa-core processors we have. Okay. Okay, Snapdragon 885, Snapdragon 900. Like that, our mobiles are having some processors. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Folks, what's the drawback in writing the application in assembly language? So, assembly language is what based? Processor based. Which means if we write a program on 8085 processor, it doesn't work on 8086 processor. Folks, am I clear? Everybody?
Yes.
Online folks, everybody, are you clear with this point?
Yes.
Let me give an example. Assume that folks assume that WhatsApp application is written on assembly language, WhatsApp. And they have written, for example, for, let's say, let's say, for example, Snapdragon 600 processor. What happens tomorrow if I purchase another mobile which has a Snapdragon 995 processor? Will the WhatsApp can I install in my new mobile now? Folks, are you getting my point? Suppose WhatsApp application is written on assembly language and it is written based on Snapdragon 600 processor. Then tell me WhatsApp application will only install on mobiles with the Snapdragon 600 processor. Am I right or not, folks?
Yes.
Yes. Then what about mobiles which are having Snapdragon 900 processor? Then they have to create one more WhatsApp application which will work on Snapdragon 900 processor. Am I clear?
Yes.
Is my context is clear for you, folks? Please give me some response, folks.
Yes.
If yes means give yes, if no means give no, but some response I'm expecting from you. I need
Yes.
response. Okay, then only I'll get an interest. Okay, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I always want continuously response from you. That's what my intention. Okay. So guys, did you understood about why don't we write the applications in assembly language?
Yes, sir.
Why
Yes.
don't we
Yeah.
why don't we learn assembly
Yes.
language? Why don't we write programs in assembly
Yes, sir.
language? Did you guys got concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Folks, try to understand me. Now we are understanding about high level. You know, our Java, Python, C, C++, C Sharp, Kotlin, Ruby. These are all comes under which category, folks? High level languages. Okay. Tell me now, in high level languages, we can write the programs or instructions like English sentences.
Yes.
Am I right or not, folks?
Yes.
Yes. Right.
Yes.
Then the question comes here, how does computer can understand them?
It converts into a machine level language.
So here the beauty is, if you write any code in high level language, if you write any code in high level language, folks, that will be converted into binary
Machine
language or machine language. Who will do that work? There is some translator is available. There are some
Translate.
translators are available. Guys, folks, are you getting the point what I'm saying now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Please try to understand me now. So tell me, for human beings, for the developers, writing the programs in binary language is easy, assembly language is easy, or high level language is easy?
High level.
High level.
High level language. So tell me, Java is a what type of programming language?
High level language.
It's a high level programming language. These are all programming languages only, right? Yeah. Tell me, Java is C, C++, .NET, I mean C Sharp, .NET, Python, Ruby. Folks, these are all different examples. These are all examples for which language?
High level.
High level.
High level language. Am I clear so far?
Yes,
Tell me,
sir.
folks, yeah. In high level language, what we can do? Here, the programs, okay, the programs are instructions can be written in what, folks? The
English.
programs or instructions can be written in
English
like English
language.
sentences. Like English sentences. So it is easy for the developers to write the programs in high level languages. Folks, am I clear here? Okay. Tell me now, if you write any program in high level language, will computer understand? Folks,
Yes, sir.
computer cannot understand high level language. That's what I'm saying now. Computer cannot understand what? Java. Computer cannot understand what? C. Computer cannot understand what? Any other? Ruby, C++. Computer cannot understand Java. Computer cannot understand .NET. Computer can only understand what?
Binary.
Assembly and binary language.
Binary language will understand.
Oh, got
Zeros
it.
and ones only it can understand. Okay, na? Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes or no? Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, folks.
Yes, sir.
Computer can only understand high level language. Okay. So there are some translators available. Those translators will convert your Java instructions or your .NET instructions into machine language. Able to follow me?
Yeah.
Tell me, guys, tell me. Computers cannot understand what?
High level language.
Computers cannot understand what? High level
Language.
language. High level language or high level languages. Okay. Tell me what are available?
Translators.
Yeah, there are translators are available. Translators are available in what? Hey, tell me. There are translators are available in what? There are translators available in high level
Language.
languages, and they will convert.
High level language.
They
Binary
will convert high level language to
Binary language.
binary language. Am I clear so far?
Yes.
Yes.
That is compiler or interpreter, the secondary case. Compilers and interpreters comes under translators only. If you write high level language, okay. If you write high level language, if you write in high level language, there is a translator. There is a translator. This translator will convert into which language? Binary language. Folks, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is the translator that we'll discuss later? It may be the compiler in one language. It may be the compiler and interpreter in another language, or only interpreter in another language. These are all called translators. Compilers and interpreters comes under which category? Translators. Folks, am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me recap now. Let me recap so far. What we started with a concept called what, folks?
Programming languages.
Language. First of all, language can be used to convey something. Are divided into how many categories? Two. What are they?
Natural language.
Natural and
Natural
formal
language and formal language. Natural languages are used by human
Human
beings, and it can be used to convey
Past, present, and future.
past information, present information, and
future.
future information. Second category is what, folks?
Formal language.
Formal languages are used for conveying only
A specific.
Specific
a
information.
specific information. For example, accounts can be used to convey profit or loss. Statistics can be used to convey analyzing the data, like population of India. Okay, how much percentage? What is the GDP? Okay, what is the GDP of India from last year to current year, like that? These are all comes under what? Statistics. Third one is what, guys?
Programming.
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 The programming languages are again divided into how many categories, folks?
Three.
types.
What are they? Binary
Binary.
language,
Assembly.
assembly language, and
High-
what? High level language. Binary language has how many alphabets?
One.
An
Folks,
alphabet.
every language has only one alphabet. With how many letters?
Two letters.
2 letters. 0 and
One.
machines can only understand which language?
Binary language.
But writing the programs in binary language is very, very
Difficult.
difficult. But the second category of programming languages, assembly.
Assembly.
Assembly
And-
languages are somewhat better than
Binary language.
binary, because assembly language has at least some phrases or words to write the programs. Am I right or not?
Yes.
But the problem is what?
They are processor based.
They are processor based. They are
Processor.
processor based. Okay. Then tell me what the third category?
High level.
High level language. So here we can write our programs like what sentences?
English sentences.
English sentences. What are available to convert or translate the high level language into machine language?
Translators.
Translators are available. Okay. Tell me, is it hard for the developers to write the programs or easy?
Easy.
It is
Easy for
easy.
developers.
It is easy. Am I clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now coming to the point, folks. Listen to me. Everybody, I would like to ask a question. You have to answer this question. This question plays an important role. Why don't we write the instructions directly in our native language like a Telugu or Tamil or Hindi? Folks, why are you learning separately programming languages like Java or Python or .NET? Write the programs directly in your own language like Telugu or Tamil or
So
Hindi.
direct
Then
English
why are
cannot
you not writing like that?
language,
That's a question.
machine understandable language.
Language.
Understands only the high level language.
Yeah,
Not translate.
sorry.
They have translator.
We cannot translate the English.
Uses only high level language.
Okay. See, we don't have any exact answer correctly. Actually, we don't have any translators available for. Okay. Folks, we don't have translators available which can convert the code from Hindi. Okay, the code from Hindi into binary language. Able to follow me? We
Yeah.
don't have any. Folks, we don't have any what?
Translate.
Translator.
Translators
Translator.
available for converting instructions written in Hindi to
Binary language.
binary language. We don't have any translators. Able to follow me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Able to follow me, everyone? Yeah. There is a question here. What if, for example, translators are designed? As of now, translators are available for
High level language.
high-level languages like Java, Python, .NET, etc. to convert or translate that high-level language program into
Binary language.
binary language or machine language. Am I clear? So for
Yeah.
translators are available for them only. But translators are not available for other
Yeah.
languages like French, German, following me, Hindi, Greek. We don't have any translators available. People, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now my question comes into play. Okay, I'm asking some questions, folks. Please try to answer the questions. Oh, okay. My question, folks. My question is, why translators are not designed for such languages? If, for example, there is a translator designed for converting the instructions from Hindi to binary language. Able to follow me? Everybody? If they are available, then we can happily write programs in our native language. I can write in Telugu, you can write in Hindi, somebody can write in Tamil, somebody can write in Urdu. Then no need to learn Java, .NET and all these things. It's easy, na? Are you catching my point?
But it's not possible.
Yeah. First of all, are you catching my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Then why we are unable to write programs in Hindi or programs in Urdu? Why can't we write the programs in Hindi or Tamil or Telugu or Kannada? Okay, right. Why people
Way
are
of
not,
expressing.
why translators are not designed for these languages? You got my question? Everybody? Why we have tried programs in Java, .NET, Python, etc. Why not in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi? Guys, did you get my point?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll give an example for this. I'll tell you why translators are not possible. I'll tell you the reason like why translators are not possible for them. I'll explain you. Am I clear so far, first of all?
Yes.
Yes.
Folks, are you clear so far, first of all?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. Folks, tell me. Okay, tell me. I'm using a statement called I am drinking water. Tell me which one is correct statement. I am drinking water or I am water drinking.
I am drinking water.
Water.
Which is the proper statement? I am
First one.
drinking water or I am water drinking.
I'm drinking water.
Okay. I am drinking water. This is the English statement. First tell me, anybody please tell me exactly true translate the same statement into Hindi. Folks, please tell me. True translation, same statement, you please translate as it is in Hindi.
मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ.
पानी पी रही हूँ.
No, no. Exactly true translation, na? May, I am means what? May पी रहा हूँ पानी. Am I
Pani.
right or not?
Yeah.
Yes. In Telugu it is called నేను డ్రింకింగ్ తాగుతున్నాను నీళ్ళు. Folks, am I clear? Okay. Folks, everybody, am I clear with my statements? This is called
Yes.
true translation.
Mm-hmm.
My question to you. Okay. Now tell me what is the correct statement? What is the correct statement in
हिंदी में पानी पी
English?
रहा
Same. I am drinking
drinking.
water.
Yeah.
But what about Hindi? मैं पानी
पी रहा हूँ.
पी रहा हूँ. In Telugu, నేను నీళ్లు తాగుతున్నాను. Folks, this is correct statements, right? Online folks, is this clear for you first of all? Here only our answer lies. Here only our answer lies, guys. Please tell me. Here only our answer lies, folks. Please tell me, are you clear with these statements?
Yes.
Yes. Any of the first statement is same. But these are not the correct statements. These are the correct statements. Am I clear? Hey,
Yes.
folks, am I clear? Tell me which set of statements are correct here, first set or second set?
Second set.
Second set. Second set. Please understand here. Tell me in the statement, I am drinking water. Who is the subject? Who is the subject? And who is the object? I am drinking water. Tell me, drinking is what? Water is what? According to English grammar.
Drinking is verb.
Sorry?
Drinking verb.
Drinking?
Verb.
What is the object and drinking is the verb here.
Yeah. Drinking is a verb also called a subject.
Subject.
Okay. Verb is a subject, right? So,
And
drinking is a subject. Water is the
object.
object. Tell me, folks, here. Pani is what? Pee raha hu what?
Object.
It is object.
And then
Subject.
subject.
This is subject. Am I clear?
Yes.
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 Even in Telugu also same thing. Nilu is what? Object. Tagutunnan is what? Subject. Hey folks, I'm giving you the reason. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you the reason, folks. Please understand the point. Please understand the concept. If you take English, generally we get subject followed by object. But what about in Hindi? Object followed by subject, or you can say verb, anything. Even in Telugu also, same thing. Means what is happening from language to language, what are interchanging? From language to language, what are interchanging? Subject and object.
Object.
That's why it is not possible to develop the translators for the languages like English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, etc. Because there is no constant structure, right? Okay. Sometimes object comes first, sometimes subject comes first. So it's not possible for developing or creating translators. For whom? For the languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil and all. So we can't write the programs in that languages. That's why we have some languages called high-level programming languages, like Java, like C, C++, Python, .NET, etc. Am I clear? This is all I took example just to explain you that. Why? Reason I won't explain. So far, folks, whatever I have explained, are you good enough with this? Are you good enough with this?
Yeah.
Everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So folks, tell me, why can't we write? Why can't we write programs in languages like Hindi or Telugu or Tamil, etc.?
Different
What's the
languages
answer,
have
folks?
different form of
What's the answer?
sentence formation.
Answer is what? These languages will follow their own syntax. Am I right? All will not follow the same syntax, na? They will follow their own syntax to form the sentences. Am I clear?
Yes.
So it is not possible to design the what, guys? Translators for them. Able to get my point? If suppose translators are given for Hindi, then tell me now, can I write the programs in Hindi
Yes.
instead of Java? Instead of Java, can I use Hindi now?
Yes.
Yes. But why I am not writing the programs in such languages? Because there are no what are available?
Translators.
There are no translators are available for them. Able to follow the point, everybody, today, whatever I just explained to you?
Yeah.
Online folks.
Yes.
Am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes.
clear so far? Yeah.
Yeah.
Please try to understand me, folks. These are all by experience, by doing some research. Then I framed this entire in a step-by-step to explain you guys. Even you cannot find all these reasons and all, even in Google also. If you ask ChatGPT or if you ask Google also, you won't get all these reasons. These are all with experience. Okay, by forming each and everything in a step-by-step manner, then I framed this concept to explain you. There is a lot of pain behind this design of the content in this format to give you the clear idea about why we should use high-level languages for writing the programs. Am I clear so far?
Yeah.
Folks, am I clear so far?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. So tell me, right, to write the computer programs, the developers have to use the high-level programming languages like Java, C#.NET, C, C++, etc. Hey folks, is a session understandable for you today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, have you learned something today? Something new and something good today? You got the reasons?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 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 Folks, this is a second session that I designed for you to understand about why should we write the programs in Java only, or why should we write the programs in C or C++ only? Why not in English or Hindi? Able to follow me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because you are a very beginner and you are just trying to enter into this Java full stack development course, right? So you want to go with Java as your career. So first of all, you should know about why should I write the programs in Java only. That's why I've designed the content in this format. Do you like this content, folks, so far, whatever I've explained?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it understandable?
Yes.
Now, have you got the
Yes,
reasons?
very understandable.
Have you got the reasons now?
Yep.
Did you guys get the clarity reasons like why we have tried the programs in such languages only? Why not in other languages or native languages? Did you got the concept, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Folks, so, sorry. So, we have, okay. So, here we are going to stop our second session. In the first session, I told about modules, what is full stack development and all. Okay. And in the second session, I would like to explain about why should we use the high level programming languages like Java or .NET for developing the computer programs. Did you guys got the clarity?
Yeah.
Okay. Then in the next session, I will talk about something which is related to Java. What are the different editions of Java?